Welcome guys and welcome back to Code Blocks, and let's start the video. In previous video we have seen the creation of database and we have created two tables. The tables were customer and orders. Now we have created order details. You can see we have given order ID, product ID and quantity, and then we have given foreign key reference to order ID and product ID. After that, we have created a category table, and after that, we have created a product table, and product ID is primary, product name, price, and category ID, and then category ID we have given a foreign key reference. After that, we have inserted data inside the tables. In previous video, I have shown you how to insert data. So this is how we insert it. Uh, So we should write insert into, then table name, and then table columns, and then the value inside the columns. And we have inserted inside the category, product, and order details. Now we will perform some basic queries so that we will understand the MySQL very clearly. So first of all, if we want to see the customer table, then we use then we write this kind of query: select all from customer. First we have to use it. uh, After that only we can execute this. Yes, so the line has been successfully executed. Now I will show you the output. Just a second. Yes, now you can see we have been seeing the inserted output inside the table customer. There is customer ID, full name, and email ID. So now we will see how to retrieve a specific column from the table. So select uh, first name, comma, last name, comma, email. So whichever columns you want, you should specify their name, and after that you should write from the table name. The table name is customer, and after that you should execute this query. Yes, as you can see we are getting the output, and that also for a specific tables only. So now I will show you uh, hmm, after that we will see how to order a table. Select mm, all from customer where let's see the data before inserting. uh, hmm. So before showing order by, I will show you how to use where clause. So where ID is equals to 5. Oh, 5. Just a second. Let's try once again. Error code unknown ID. Oh, we have written the column name wrong. So we will see what's the name of the column. Yes, it's cost ID. After that, execute. Yes, now it is executed and you can see the data of uh, cost ID 5. So this is how we use where clause. Where clause means giving a condition so that uh, um, the the condition is satisfied and the data with the condition which is satisfied, that data only is shown and nothing else is shown. So let's now use order by. So order by will use it in, let's see, hmm, we'll use it in product. Okay, we use it in product table. So select all from product money group by, not group by. Let's select all from product, and after that order by price, uh, descending. Okay. Now we will execute it. Yes. Now you can see the price has been sorted in descending order, means first the biggest price and then less, and then the lowest price is at the bottom. So now we can see the price of the product, which is costing minimal, like notebook is for 50 rupees only, and the laptop is for 55,000. Like this, the order by clause is used for retrieving the data in whichever order we require. And the order by can be used alphabetically, means for names also, it is not only for amount. So guys, now we will see how to count the sum of the price, total price. Let's see it. So select uh, sum it would be price. Yes. Sum price, and after that as so I will show you how to use aliases in this query. Aliases means um, we will give a substitute name instead of giving this, means we will call this column sum price, we will call it as anything else, that is known as alias, means we give different name to a column. So alias for this will be total price from product, and let's execute this. Yes, now you can see the total price of the product sales been showing here. So thank you guys for watching video, and like and subscribe for the channel. Thank you.